What's up, everybody? It's Phonetically. We're back. We're making jungle. Today I wanted to do a video about effects chains and using sample locks. I was creating stems for my song Boss of Them All, and it has a lot of different effects of varying lengths. So I created 3 chains, short, medium, and long. By using sample locks, I can put each of these chains on a single track and recreate a pretty complicated sequence. I'll show you how, but first, click the like button, follow the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let's go.
The sinister signs gone phonetically.
Alright, so this is the session file for my track Boss of Them All, available on Audio Entropy. I've got short effects, long effects, and medium effects. I've got them grouped together here at the end of my session. I've got my long effects here, my medium effects here, and my short effects at the end. So I'm going to export them individually, and I'm going to title them long, medium, and short effects. And then I will drag these 3 sample chains over into my Octatrack for slicing. Alright, so we're back in our project on Octatrack for Boss of Them All. I have my short effects sequence loaded on my second track, so we'll press Function and Bank to go to the edit mode. We're going to go to the slice menu, create slice grid. I'm going to do 8 slices, and then if we go back to our static sample pool, I've loaded up our mid and long effects, and without even loading them onto the track, we can press Function and edit again. We will create a slice grid of 4 slices, and then one more time, we will slice our long effects into 4 slices as well. So now if we lay a trigger, we will have to turn that slice mode on. If we lay a trigger, we will just hear one shot from our short chain. But if we press that trigger and the down arrow, it will allow us to choose any sample from our static pool. So if we go down, we can load our long effects and have that play back on this first trigger. We can go to our third bar, say, put down another trigger, and since we're not modifying this will play back from the short effects loaded to the track. And then if we go to our last page, we can put down a trigger, come down and select our medium effects from the sample pool. And then when we play back our pattern, and so we now have sounds playing from all 3 of our effects chains on a single pattern. Alright, so I hope you got some ideas about how to use sample locks to use multiple samples on a single channel. I'll put up a Google Drive link if you want to download the effects chains that we just made, as well as a Bandcamp link if you want to hear the full song and support my music. Happy chopping, and I'll see you next time.